Hey, what's going on, people? I hope you guys are doing good. As you can see, it is definitely the hot season here in Florida. And I get it. I know Florida's always hot, but it's really hot right now, which makes it perfect for the pool. And I partner with BeatBot to help introduce the brand new AquaSense 2 series to make sure your pool is ready to go whenever you want to take a dip. Now, the AquaSense 2 series consists of the AquaSense 2 Pro and the AquaSense 2 Ultra. And in this video, I'm going to break down the differences, why you might want to choose the Ultra over the Pro, or vice versa. But in short, the Pro basically has all the industry-leading tech that you've come to expect from BeatBot, whereas the Ultra features all of that same tech, but is also the world's first AI-driven robotic pool cleaner, and it has some killer features inside of it that we're gonna talk about later in the video. Now, if you don't know, BeatBot is the world's #1 leading manufacturer when it comes to premium robotic pool cleaners. Last year, I checked out the iSkim Ultra, which does a fantastic job at cleaning the top of your pool, including the upper part of the walls. This year, I'm checking out these two, which are building on the 2024 launch of the original AquaSense series, which happens to be the world's first 5-in-1 robotic pool cleaner. In case you're not familiar with the original AquaSense series, let's talk about the 5-in-1 functionality that separates the AquaSense series from its competitors and how these two build on that foundation. The AquaSense 2 Pro and the AquaSense 2 Ultra can clean the pool's water surface, waterline, floor, walls, and even the water thanks to its water clarification system that uses BeatBot's clarifying agent. I spoke about this in my previous video on the iSkim Ultra, but in short, it's an eco-friendly, natural, non-toxic, and biodegradable formula made from recycled crab shells. It installs easily on the AquaSense 2 Pro or the AquaSense 2 Ultra, and a 300 milliliter kit cleans up to 99,000 gallons of water. One kit is included in the box, but you can pick up more online or possibly through your local hardware or pool supply store. With this type of functionality, it eliminates the need of having multiple devices or manual maintenance. That means you don't have to get your hands dirty in order to get a nice sparkling swimming pool. I love that. That means I can spend more time with my family or doing the things that I love versus maintaining a swimming pool. Before diving any deeper into each robot, let's go over what's included in the box. You get a quick start guide, a microfiber cloth, a user manual, rubber side brushes for the AquaSense 2 Ultra only, dock feet plus a charging dock, and a screwdriver for attaching those feet to the dock, a retrieval hook, the clarifying agent, a dock cover for the Ultra only, and then of course the robot. Setting everything up is extremely simple. Start by downloading the BeatBot app. The app will pretty much walk you through everything, but you're gonna connect to your home Wi-Fi and then connect the robot to your Wi-Fi network as well. Then if there's any firmware updates available, it'll prompt you to update the firmware by placing the robot on the charging dock. Charge it to 100% since it's already on the dock as well. The charging dock that comes with the AquaSense 2 series robots is awesome. It can charge the 2 Pro and the 2 Ultra in roughly 4.5 hours from 0%. Not only that, but it's safer than traditional plug-in chargers due to its design that reduces contact with the water, but it's also foolproof when it comes to getting the robot on the charger and in the correct position. Once the firmware has been updated and the robot is charged, you can install the clarifying agent and then attach the rubber side brushes if you're using the Ultra. The rubber side brushes will take some time, at least for me it did, but once you get the hang of the first one, the second one's really easy. Then once all of that is done, you can run the initial cleaning sequence and mapping process. This is done by tossing the robot into the water and then starting the process. For cleaning, these robots use two different patterns. For floor and surface cleaning, it uses an S pattern, and for cleaning the waterline and walls, it uses an N pattern. The difference between the Pro and the Ultra here is that the Ultra also has side brushes, just like the iSkim Ultra that I tested out last year. As I said in the beginning, the Ultra really separates itself here because it's the world's first AI-driven 5-in-1 robotic pool cleaner, and you can tell which one's the Ultra because it has a front-facing AI camera that's also TÜV certified for privacy. The AquaSense 2 Ultra features an industry-first 11-motor system. It's powered by a 13,400 milliamp hour battery that has an advertised runtime of 10 hours when performing surface cleaning, 5 hours for floor cleaning, and 5 hours for walls. But your runtime may vary depending on the size and cleanliness of your pool. It uses 27 plus sensors, including an AI camera, in order to map out and navigate around your pool, along with identifying different types of debris. It features dual side brushes with a diameter of 93 millimeters for scrubbing the pool's waterline during surface cleaning. Additionally, there's a 200-watt brushless motor on board with 5,500 GPH or gallons per hour suction, 6 side guide wheels for easy maneuverability, and a dual-layer ultra-fine filtration system that can trap particles. Now that you know a little bit more about the AquaSense 2 Ultra and its specifications, let's go over some of the features that take advantage of this incredible hardware, like AquaSense Pool Mapping. The AquaSense 2 Ultra utilizes a quad-core Cortex A7 CPU running at 1.8 GHz, which is similar to the processor that's found on the original Motorola Moto G and other smartphones and tablets. This CPU processes data while controlling cleaning functions. When combined with the 27 plus sensors, it allows the robot to intelligently scan for debris, optimize cleaning paths, and navigate complex pool environments in real time. It also uses various AI algorithms to identify debris and adjust its path for the most efficient cleaning. In fact, thanks to this AI debris detection, the AquaSense 2 Ultra can identify and recognize a wide variety of things, such as oak, maple, and palm leaves, along with other objects. This works in tandem with the new AI Cruise debris detection capability, which allows the AquaSense 2 Ultra to detect and target missed debris. Once identified, it will head over to that spot and clean it before finishing any task. Now, to test this out, I tossed in several rocks that were slightly larger than a quarter, along with some fake petals and leaves to test out the AquaSense 2 Pro's AI debris detection. Now, it did miss a few things, but it never finished the job. Instead, it went right back to those spots and picked up the missing rocks along with the missing flowers. I was really impressed. Not only did the AI Cruise debris detection impress me, but the fact that this thing was able to pick up that many rocks and still go up and down the pool walls left me kind of speechless. Another awesome feature is multi-level platform cleaning. Just as the name implies, this allows the robot to climb the steps inside your pool and clean the different platform levels. Now, in my parents' pool, there are a few steps, and the AquaSense 2 Ultra was able to climb them and thoroughly clean each platform. According to BeatBot, it can clean platforms with depths greater than 13.7 inches, which I'm assuming is pretty standard. Now let's talk about the AquaSense 2 Pro, the industry-leading 5-in-1 robot pool cleaner with a focus on maximizing cleaning coverage. The AquaSense 2 Pro features a 9-motor system, which is greater than the typical 3-motor system found on many of the competitors out there. It's powered by a 13,400 milliamp hour battery, just like the Ultra, and it has an advertised runtime of 11 hours for surface, 5 hours for floor, and 5 hours for wall cleaning. It utilizes 22 sensors, including 2 ultrasonic sensors. It also has 4 extra long roller brushes in a 2x2 configuration and a 200 watt brushless motor with 5,500 GPH suction, 4 side guide wheels, and a dual layer ultrafine filtration system. So pretty much it packs a lot of the same features as the Ultra. Now that you know a little bit more about the AquaSense 2 Pro and its specifications, let's go over a few features that take advantage of its hardware, like full coverage path optimization. One of the key components to full coverage path optimization is Clever Nav Advanced Navigation, which allows the AquaSense 2 Pro to navigate using S and N patterns for efficient cleaning, while also avoiding obstacles such as lights and drain covers. When it comes to the BeatBot app, the experience is pretty much identical. The only difference is that the Ultra does have an AI section inside of its main settings. So let's talk about the app now. As soon as you open up the app, you're greeted with like an animation of your pool. And if your robot is cleaning, then it will be in motion. If not, you'll just see like an outline of a generic pool. Now on this interface, you'll find your robot's status, including the battery life. On the bottom left-hand corner, you'll find the one press park button for easy retrieval. Then next to that, you'll find the dispense clarifying agent button, so you can trigger this before a cleaning or during a cleaning. And then next to that, you'll find remote control access for manual control of the robot. Now outside of the main interface, you can also select from various cleaning modes, including creating a custom mode, which has a bunch of different settings inside of here, like multi-zone mode and eco mode. Like I said, the app is extremely simple to use and navigate around, and you shouldn't have any issues. In case you've never owned a robotic pool cleaner before, there is a value proposition here, especially when buying from BeatBot. These machines come with 3-year warranties, and you get a full machine replacement in case something were to go wrong. On top of that, you're gonna get your money back over a period of time. What I mean by that is these machines are pretty pricey up front. This particular one, the Ultra, cost anywhere between $2,800 all the way up to $3,500, depending on if you catch it on sale. Whereas the 2 Pro, you can get for around $2,000 to $2,100. Sounds like a lot of money, but if you're spending $150 to $200 a month on your pool service, after the first year, you can make your money back on the 2 Pro, and after your second year, you're already making your money back on the Ultra. If you're still confused on which one to get, let me break it down for you. If you own a large or complex pool with multi-level platforms, have elevated pool areas that need cleaning, appreciate the state-of-the-art AI-powered vision with debris detection, or want precise cleaning for hard-to-reach areas, definitely go with the AquaSense 2 Ultra. But if your pool has a standard layout and you're seeking for maximum coverage, prioritize longer battery life, are more of a practical user that wants comprehensive cleaning without the complexity of AI, or are more budget conscious but still want premium features, go with the AquaSense 2 Pro. If you're in the market for your very first robotic pool cleaner, or you want to upgrade your current, definitely check out the AquaSense 2 series. I'll drop links in the description as well as the pinned comment so you can learn a little bit more about each model and you can decide which one is right for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. It is gonna rain. I wanna get in the water. It's so warm. Oh, I thought you were stopped recording by now.